Today we will analyze my checklist for mobile trading. 1 indicator, 2 rules, and 3 seconds to entry. If you can earn $100 a day after this video, I will close my channel. Okay, I won't close the channel, but the strategy is still a bomb. You have to repeat it. As I said, we only need 1 indicator to trade. So go to the indicator panel and add the Bollinger Bands. You may have already seen the strategy for this indicator on my channel, but today everything is a little bit different. We will set a period of 28 with you. We will definitely set 2 here and save this indicator only these settings. It will work and you will be able to trade. The only one difference between the strategy and trading on computers is that today we include a time frame for one candle of 30 seconds, and we will have a trade time of 1 minute. That is 2 times more. So friends, let me go into the first trade on the upside and explain to you the essence of today's strategy. As you can see, the Bollinger Bands indicator is the green area of the normal trading range. As soon as the market goes beyond this area, either it starts moving along the lower or along the upper boundary. We have a very strong trend in the market. Pay special attention to the fact that the upper green line and the lower yellow line of the Bollinger indicator have diverged. So look at the distance, let's say here between the upper and the lower line, and see the distance now. Now the distance is much greater, which means that there is volatility and a trend in the market. As you can see, our first trade to raise the price overcame the level. The indicator gave us a signal for 10 seconds and the trade was closed in plus, no difficulties. I really want to continue trading here, especially after the formation of such a candlestick pattern as the hammer. That is, you can see for yourself that we have a small body and a shadow that is directed downwards. This tells us about the continuation of the upward movement, especially if the upper and lower lines are still expanding. This all tells us about the continuation of this upward movement. So 1 minute, the second trade is already open for an increase. We are waiting for its result. Excellent. The market continues to grow and the second trade is closing in plus. I will allow myself to increase the trade amount to $250 and continue trading until the price reaches some kind of obstacle in the form of a level. Here our level is at this mark. Here we have formed a double peak, from which the market has changed its direction. As we can see, we still have a lot of room to move up, the top level, and there is still room to go. So I will continue trading here. So far, everything is going perfectly according to plan. In 2 seconds, we have already closed the third trade and we are significantly increasing our balance. If you are still not sure if you have understood the strategy correctly or not, don't worry. There is always a universal solution for you. I will leave a link to the robot for you using the link from the description. Go to it and click the star signals comment. For the next 2 hours, you will be able to receive absolutely free signals. Unfortunately, it's the weekend days, and all the currency markets are closed. So I won't be able to get any signals, but look at what statistics we usually have. There are also negative trades, but mostly, the win rate is just great. Therefore, if you want to use this tool for free, click on the link from the description again and use signals from a trusted AI analyst. Guys, I'm opening the following short-term trade here. Some might say it's crazy, but I don't think so. Look, we have a level that you and I have successfully overcome. After the breakdown, we must move to the next level, but the next level is only here. See how much distance the chart still needs to cover in order to reach this level. Unfortunately, it's inconvenient to show a very large fund, but I think that you can see for yourself that the upper and lower boundaries of the Bollinger indicator are diverging. The distance increases, the volatility increases, and accordingly, our change is that this trade will close in the plus. Great, let's move on. I am ready to open another $500 trade here, also in a downward direction. I hope I will not regret my decision, but in general, we are moving within the framework of the strategy. We had to be a little nervous, but nevertheless, our trade continues to move steadily downwards, and you and I take another profit. So let's enter into a raised trade here. Our trend is already quite stable. Of course, there is a possibility of correction, but I look at the fact that our range is still increasing, the lower line is falling, the upper line is growing. So there is every chance to close this trade. I will switch to the 5-minute time frame to look at the levels and notice that the last horizontal level we overcame was it before. Therefore, everything is fine at these values. So we can continue to trade further. So 1 second. Wow, guys, cool. I really like today's trading because it comes with a 100% win rate. On our balance sheet is almost $2,000. Let's try to increase our capital a little more and I'll probably end there. I'm opening another position here. Let's also check on the 5-minute time frame whether there are levels here in general. I don't see that any super important levels. Of course, there is this micro level, but we didn't notice it at all last time. We broke through it easily, so now I am not focusing on it, especially if we have already overcome it. The boundaries of the Bollinger are diverging, so we trade according to the trend. Well, guys, my trading will end in 5 seconds. I am already more than satisfied with the profit at this point because we have increased our balance almost 10 times. Why I did not trade the entire amount of my deposit? This strategy is very versatile, reliable, and suitable for everyone who has a mobile phone and at least $10 to start changing their lives. Don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel, and there you can get free signals and copy my trade automatically. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.